Hey everyone, welcome to another daily activity with Brittany. I'm again with Tennessee National Wildlife Refuge, and I hope you're excited for this fun activity because it's making birdseed cookies or eggs for the birds in your backyard. So you're going to need several things. You're going to need a bowl and a spatula of some sort to mix everything together. You're going to need a cookie sheet to put all your cookies on. You're going to need some cookie cutters or eggs. You can do either or, you can do both. I'll do both to show you today. You're going to need to make sure you have some non-stick cooking spray, some unflavored gelatin, that is key, unflavored gelatin, not flavored, unflavored. Okay, you're going to need some bird seed. You're going to need some string to hang your cookies, and you're going to need a skewer to put a hole in the cookies for the string. You're going to need a tablespoon measuring tool and a cup measuring tool. You're going to need some cold water as well as boiling water, and that should be about it. So let's go ahead and jump right on into getting this project started. All right, everyone, so our first step is going to be taking our cooking spray, nonstick cooking spray, and spraying down our eggs and our cookie cutters. All right, step one, complete. All right, everyone, so the next step is going to be taking your unflavored gelatin, which it comes in a box with 4 packets. You're going to use all 4 packets. So you're going to dump that in the bowl. Then you're going to take two tablespoons of cold water. Alrighty, and then we're going to stir this together. All right, and you're going to let this sit for about 1 minute. All right, so 1 minute is up. Now we're going to pour a 1/3 cup of boiling water into the mixture. And we are going to stir, stir, stir until all of the gelatin is dissolved. Alrighty, so I stirred all of this really well and it all is kind of dissolved. So I'm going to now pour 2 cups of my birdseed in. And I'm going to mix this together really well, because the gelatin is what is going to be my glue for the seeds. This is what's going to hold together my cookies and my eggs. So you want to make sure you get that all over these seeds. All right, so our next step is going to be putting these seeds in the cookie molds and in your egg shells. Alrighty, so that part was really fun, really sticky, and the kids are going to absolutely love it. Now, all you have to do is you put this in the fridge, so make some space in there, and you're going to let this sit for about 2 hours, and then you're going to pull it back out, and you're going to come back to room temperature, so give it about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll show you the next steps from there. Alrighty, everyone, so these have been in the fridge for 2 hours, and then now they've been sitting on the countertop for about 30 minutes, and so we're gonna see how they turned out. So here we go. All right, the egg turned out wonderful. Let's get this other one out. Awesome. All right, now let's see how, oh, that slid right on out of there. There we go. Alrighty. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little hole . We're gonna feed some string through it. Now I did it in the center just because it's gonna allow more support. There we go. Just feed the string right on through there. And there you go. You have a bird seed. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna hang these up outside. All right, so here they are. And I'm just gonna hang them up on this little tree right here. Bush. I see birds out here all the time. So this is a really good spot for them. And then my little eggs, I'm just gonna set them down here on the ground. And voila, all done. And we've got little bird seed feeders for the little backyard birds. And then I've got a window right here and I can grab my binoculars or just sit at the window and see what kind of birds I get. So I hope this is a really fun activity for you all. It's fun to get your hands sticky and messy. So it's a great activity for kids. And so I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you tomorrow at 1 again. All right, see you everyone.